Sales representatives waste one-third of their time on repetitive and administrative tasks instead of actually closing deals. The solution for this is Smart Sales, all-in-one sales automation tools powered by Quickbase. Let's start with one of the most important features for sales reps, making phone calls. Clicking the call button opens this dialog, which integrates with Twilio API.
Thank you for using your demo account. Please upgrade to a full account to remove this message.
We can see that my phone is ringing now.
Hey, I'm calling to talk about our solutions.
When I hang up on my phone, the call is automatically disconnected on the browser. The recording is then sent to Microsoft speech recognition systems to transcribe the call. Transcriptions and recordings can then be reviewed to enhance your sales strategy.
Hey, I'm calling to talk about our solutions.
A core feature of Smart Sales is the AI assistant. Let's start with leads discovery. Before pressing enter down, let me give you an overview of how it works. First, the message is sent to with.ai, which recognizes the intents and the entities of the message. Next, a series of conditions are applied to identify which pipelines to call next. For our first message, the explore intent will be detected and the search company's Crunchbase pipeline will be called. The pipeline receives the category payments extracted from the message, searches for companies on Crunchbase, and returns them to the user. If the company is relevant, the sales rep can click this button, which triggers another pipeline that saves the company on Quickbase. It is also possible to make more specific queries, adding filters for location and minimum and maximum of employees. The sales rep can then explore contacts in a specific company and save them to Quickbase. As we can see, both the companies and the contacts have been created. The sales rep can make queries to Quickbase using natural language. Then, another pipeline maps with.ai entities to tables and fields on Quickbase and makes a dynamically built API query to Quickbase. Finally, the results are shown to the user. Sales reps can also add information, for instance, creating tasks, or quickly finding useful information such as my meetings for today, or quickly messaging your customer without ever having to pick up your phone. Here the SMS is sent through Twilio API. Sales reps shouldn't be wasting time inputting information on the database. That's why Smart Sales has a feature to import contacts by scanning business cards. This pipeline uses Microsoft Cognitive Services to extract card info from the picture. Finally, the sales rep can review the info and save it to Quickbase. As we can see, both the company and the contact have been created. Another way Smart Sales helps sales reps is by enriching customer data. For instance, when creating or editing a contact, you can click on Enrich, which then triggers a pipeline to search on Crunchbase for additional contact info. Here we can see in more details how this information is extracted from Crunchbase. When a sales rep moves a deal to the contract stage, a pipeline triggers to start a document merge on form stack. Next, when the document has been generated, the document is sent to OneDrive, then to DocuSign for signing. The document has been generated using the deal info, such as company amount and contact, so the sales rep didn't have to type anything. Finally, when the document has been signed, the deal is updated with the signed document URL. Meetings make a large part of the day of a sales rep, so it's important to automate things as much as possible. When a sales rep creates a meeting, it will automatically generate a Zoom meeting using the Zoom API. Then, an email is automatically sent to each attendee with the meeting info and join link. Well, that's Smart Sales, all-in-one sales automation tools powered by Quickbase.